Whirlpool presents W Series range of 4-door refrigerators. Experience elegance with the Whirlpool W Series range of 4-door refrigerator. Characterized by a breathtaking design, its impeccable craftsmanship and premium interiors fit seamlessly into your kitchen and elevate its appearance. The modern 4-door format gives quick access to frequently used food items in the refrigerator, while the less used food items have their space in the freezer at the bottom. Powered with adaptive intelligence technology, this refrigerator is packed with numerous advanced sensors and a microprocessor, which continuously senses and adapts. It automatically controls the temperature and humidity levels inside all 3 zones based on load, usage pattern, and outside weather condition. The 3D airflow circulates cold air uniformly in a circular manner, thereby minimizing moisture loss. The sixth sense fresh lock mechanism automatically detects temperature variations. Together with 3D airflow, it helps restore the optimal environment to preserve fresh food for longer. Experience luxury with a convertible freezer with 3 different modes. Cater to your different storage needs. First, the chef zone for your marinades and ready-to-eat food. Second, the dessert zone for your ice creams and desserts. And last, the cold storage zone helps in storing frozen food for longer. The IntelliSense inverter technology adjusts compressor speed and ensures a silent and long-lasting performance. Experience comfort with Gradual light technology, which increases light intensity as the door opens. This gives your eyes sufficient time to adjust to the refrigerator light, especially during the night time. Whirlpool also offers a 10-year warranty on the compressor. Get the Whirlpool W Series 4-door refrigerator using various hassle-free payment methods.